Hello, welcome to the Problem Solving School. My name is Michael Ogo. Today we're going to look at problem solving with Java, with Java programming language. And this is our very first problem, and it's problem 1.0. It's just a welcome problem. It's basically a problem that asks the computer to print a welcome message on the screen. So let's go right away to solve the problem. So um, so this is problem 1.0. Welcome program. So we want to write a program that displays a welcome message on the console screen. So the welcome message in this case is just a simple message. So welcome to problem solving with Java. Yeah, so this is a problem, and in any particular problem we want to solve, there are skills we want to learn from this. So first of all, you have to understand what the exact problem that you want to solve. So, and in this case, it's simply we want to write some instructions. You want to tell the computer how to display, or you want to tell the computer not just how, but how and what to display on the screen. So, but in this case, we're dealing with not really how, but just what to display on the screen, because it's a very simple problem. Just display a welcome message on the screen. So let's go right away to see how the computer will do this. So what we have is we're going to have a program. So we're going to have a program here. Call it program. This is where we write the instructions, and then we're going to have a screen. And in this screen we will have welcome to problem solving with Java. So what we want to do is we'll write instruction here, and then connect the program to the screen. So this is what the program is result of. So this is the input. You have the input into the program, and then you have an output. So what you have is you have system. Now this is the message. We'll input the message. This is the program. We'll take the message, and then we'll send it. We'll produce a screen that we contain the message. So you have a program that will send this message to the screen. Now in Java, how do we instruct the computer to do this? So it's a very simple. Well, we just need to tell the computer. All we have to do is just to tell the computer, okay, this is what I've got. I want you to put this on the screen. So, and how do we do that in a computer programming in Java? So everything we think of, every concept, like in this case we have a screen. One thing about programming language, you have to think of, you have a way of representing every object. So in this case we have a screen, and how do we represent a screen? To represent a screen in Java, write system, So to represent the screen in Java programs, so write system dot out dot print. Now this is how we represent the screen in Java. So what do you want to print? Well, yeah, and then we terminate it by this column. Now this parenthesis is empty, so whatever we want the program to print, we just need to write it here. So the whole of that represent the screen. So that is just all you need to do. So whenever you write this, a screen will show pop up. Now it depends on what you write here. So if you write username bracket, you write say Mike. So what will happen when you run the program? You have the window that represents the screen, and then you have somewhere in the screen written Mike. So that is exactly what we want to do here. So if we go back to the program, okay, as I said, this is basically we want to let the computer to print something on the screen. So let's see how the computer does that. And I said the screen is simply system dot in Java is system.out.print, and then you have the welcome message because this is what you want the computer to print. Problem solving Java. Now if you run this program, the Java program won't be able to execute the program. First of all, it doesn't know that it's a Java language that is contained in the file. So for the computer to know that this is a Java language that is contained there, you must say public class, the name of the class. The name of the class is simply the name of the test file that you will store this test with. Type in here. So now we'll put that. Now at this point the computer already knows that yeah, what I have here is a Java program, right? This is a Java program, but the fact that I have a Java program doesn't mean that I have to execute the Java program. But is it something that I should execute? That's another thing. So at this point the computer doesn't still know that okay, if it's something that it has to execute. Now for the computer to be sure that this is something it has to execute, you have to write a function, and that is a string. So you don't need to worry about the syntax anymore, but this is just what you need to write, and put that instruction there. So at this point the computer knows that yes, this is a Java programming language and it has to be executed. So now if we run this program now, we see output. So it says welcome to programming solving with Java. So this is the video, our first video on our first problem. It's just a very simple problem. Thank you very much for watching.